This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Today we are going to be talking about why our homes can be perpetually in a mess. We've all been there. Coming home to a cluttered and disorganized space can be overwhelming and stressful. But have you ever stopped to think about why this is happening? In this video, we are going to explore some of the common reasons why your home is always a mess and give you some methods to fix it. Let's get started. One of the main reasons why a home is always in a mess is because of lack of a system or routine. We all have busy lives, and it can be easy to just leave things where they are, but this can quickly lead to a cluttered space. To fix this, try implementing a simple routine like putting your dirty clothes away as soon as you take them off, or putting dishes back after finishing meals and cleaning the table. Make sure you place things back where they belong after using them. This is a simple 10 seconds habit which can help make a home mess-free. Another reason why your home can be constantly messy is due to the accumulation of too many unnecessary items. We all have a tendency to hold on to things that we no longer need or use, leading to a cluttered space over time. For example, clothes from our younger years that no longer fit us, or uncomfortable shoes that are too expensive to discard, taking up precious space and adding to clutter. To fix this issue, it is important to declutter regularly and only keep items that you truly need and use. One helpful tip is to keep a large bin or bag in a convenient location, and whenever you come across an item that you no longer need, simply toss it into the bag. This way you won't have to wait for a major decluttering session and your home will always stay clutter-free. Reducing visual clutter is an important aspect of maintaining a tidy and mess-free home. Even when things are stored properly, they can still look messy. A simple way to reduce visual clutter is to keep things neatly and aligned. Hide items such as wires, paper clutter, and random jars and tools that may be on the kitchen countertop by using proper trays and baskets. In my recent video on reducing visual clutter, I discussed the importance of paying attention to these small yet essential points. To learn more, check out the full video on our channel. You can find the link in the description box. A common issue that leads to a cluttered home is the lack of designated storage space for everything. Without a specific spot for an item, it's easy to leave it lying around wherever convenient. Jahan man kiya, wahan rakh diya. This often happens with kids' school bags, books, small but essential items such as screwdrivers, nails, inch tape, and scotch tape, which end up scattered in different drawers, making it difficult to find them when needed. To overcome this problem, consider assigning a designated storage space for each item in your home. By providing each item a specific home, you can avoid the frustration of searching for missing items and ensure that everything is easily accessible when needed. Next, let's talk about the problem of not having enough storage. Many of us have a lot of possessions but not enough space, which often leads to messy countertops and surfaces. To solve this problem, consider using vertical storage solutions such as inner shelves, over-the-door hooks, or hanging organizers. You can also add baskets and bins to store essential items. which serves the dual purpose of providing storage and hiding clutter. These solutions will help you make the most of the space you have and keep your belongings off the floor. Now let's talk about the problem of procrastination. We all have a tendency to put things off until later. But when later comes, we find ourselves overwhelmed with a cluttered home. Oh my god, ab main kya karu? To solve this problem, try breaking tasks down into smaller chunks and tackling them one at a time. This will make the task seem less daunting and you will be more likely to stay on top of things. For example, if you have a messy kitchen, target 1 or 2 cabinets or pantry each day to clean and reorganize. This way, within a week, you will get the clean kitchen and it won't be difficult to achieve. If maintaining a home seems difficult, consider keeping it minimal with fewer items and decorations to help reduce clutter. Limiting the number of knickknacks on the shelves, reducing the number of throw pillows on the couch and bed, and avoiding to buy too much crockery and glassware can all contribute to a more organized and clean space. Remember, sometimes less is more. By streamlining the elements in your home, it becomes easier to keep things tidy and organized without getting stressed. Many people think that by just putting things away in the drawer will make the house organized. No, simply dumping things randomly in a drawer is not an effective way to keep things organized and mess-free. Hidden clutter is still a clutter. In fact, it can create another area of mess in your home, and you will never be able to find anything when needed. A better approach is to use dividers or organizers within drawers to keep items separated and prevent them from becoming cluttered or jumbled together. This can make it easier to find what you need and keep things more organized overall. By utilizing these simple tools, you can transform your drawers into functional storage space that help maintain a tidy home. Many people struggle with keeping their home organized because they feel that their family members do not support or help in the effort. While it's true that not all families are the same, one solution is to arrange your family members' rooms and belongings according to their preferences and taste rather than your own. This can go a long way in reducing clutter and creating a more organized space. For example, I organize my husband's closet and desk according to his convenience, not mine. By organizing your home with consideration for your family's needs and habits, you can make it a more functional and tidy space. Additionally, I have placed a laundry basket in my son's room to encourage him to put his dirty clothes in one spot instead of the corner of the room. So these are some of the main reasons why your home may always seem to be a mess. By following these tips, you will be able to keep your home organized and make it a more pleasant place to be. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more organization tips and tricks. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.